I want to say I've always been selfless my whole life, right? Since I was little, okay? But I think that it really stood out to me one day when I actually cried when my brother, right, was sitting there choking on like a Skittle or something, right? And I'm sitting there freaking out. I'm going crazy, right? I'm like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. My grandparents, my mom, they're like, it's okay, they're sitting there, just they're not panicking, but I'm sitting there panicking, right? And so from there on, I realized that I had that empathy, in place where I was like, man, I actually care, right, about others more than I care about myself. You know, my ultimate focus has been generational wealth, right? And what I mean by that is, when I look at where I came from, right, I didn't have everything just handed to me, right? Let's break this chain from before where we're able to put our children ahead of the game, right? And so I'm doing things like building the Dapper Data brand because I want them to be able to see Dapper Data and be able to use that as an asset to pay off any liabilities and stuff, right? So when you think about data, you think about data as being something that can change the world. I talk about how data can solve things like the cure of cancer, right? World hunger, poverty, right? It's everywhere you can think of. It doesn't matter what career you have, you're dealing with data. Right? I've interviewed people where they don't even know that they are using data in their everyday lives to make the decisions they make, but they are. Okay, so that is something that is going to be the future, if not already. It is the future, right? But when you combine that with something like the word dapper, when you think dapper, you think neat, clean, complete. Okay, you think smooth. All right, you think whole, right? And so when you think about dapper, right, you see something that is going down the path where you are just smooth, right? And that's how you want your data. You want your data to be smooth. You want your data to be unique. You want your data to be clean, okay? And so that's where I combine Dapper Data.